science, dear listeners, can lift us to the skies or plunge us into madness. In a mad pursuit of discovery, Dr. Quail has vanished from sight due to his dose of the dreadful serum, Plumacane. Now unseeable to the eye, but visible in his insanity, Dr. Quail lurks in the corners of an unsuspecting inn. This one is out of sight in the Unseeable Quail. We find Dr. Quail at the Kitty Head Inn, where he's hidden away and demands to be left alone by the inn's staff.
Yes, I am finally alone with my maddening thoughts. The Plumacane has made me more than just unseen to the naked eye. It has lightened up my brain. I'll soon be able to use my powers to rule and make this pathetic world grovel at my talons. Yes! I am a bird of science, and I am untouchable. I am unseeable. I can rob the banks, listen to every secret, destroy those in charge, and rule.
There he is, officer. Dr. Quail. He's the one who's destroying our property and making all that noise.
All right, Dr. Quail, the staff would like you to vacate the property so
Why? Because I've gone mad? Because I'm able to go undetected? You simple-minded fools will never catch me!
Come here!
End of the line! Oh, I'm terrified! Catch me now, you idiot copper!
Stop! Stop in the name of...
In the name of science!
I can't see him. He's unseeable. Which means the bloke's buck naked.
Hot.
My mind and cloaca are free! The world is mine for the taking! Farewell, you simple-minded flocking fools! Ha ha! Oh, how I enjoyed our time together.
Is he gone?
I think so.
Ah, my favorite element. Surprise!
And into the night he did flee to continue his maddening chaos.